guys, so today I have my favorite girl with me, Cairo. Now, if you follow me on social media, you know Cairo's hair is always on point. So today I'll be showing you a few of her cute and simple hairstyles. Let's get started. So, we're gonna be doing several hairstyles today, but today what we're gonna do first is the easy wash and go hairstyle. And we definitely have those mornings, right, Cairo, where we need to get out of the door fast. Like, zoom! My kids think I'm crazy. The first step that I do is I just wanna get her hair just nice and wet. So let's just wet your hair, Cairo, okay? Cairo loves getting her hair done. She's very easy. Cree, on the other hand, it was rough. He didn't like sitting down and being still. He has a lot of energy. Cairo's definitely more like mellowed out, and so she's really good at just sitting and being still and getting her hair done. What I'm doing right now is I am detangling her hair, but what I love about the shampoo and the conditioner, it has nice slip, and it's really easy to comb out the hair because it's really nice and moisturized. And then what I'll do is I'll put in my curl refresher mist. This is just a curl refresher, which is just gonna enhance her curls. Cairo, do you like to play in mommy's makeup?
Yeah.
What do you like to do with mommy's makeup? Yes, she likes to play in my makeup. Where do you put your makeup on?
My face.
Yes, but where?
I put it everywhere.
You put it everywhere. All right, so I'm just gonna give her a little cute little part, just like that. And then we're just gonna start putting product in her hair because this is a very quick, easy style. So I'm just gonna comb it out. So I'm using this like brush that detangles the hair, and it really just helps with the curls. This is a curl defining gel, which will just define the curls. And I'm just gonna put it in her hair, just like this, and then you'll start to see how much of a bounce she has. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, Kai Kai? I'm a huge fan of affirmations. I always like to introduce words of encouragement and positivity at a young age, right? Ready? Okay, so you have to say, I am strong.
I am sure.
Okay, let's see. Okay. How about that? I feel that it is just very important for kids at a young age to just start believing in themselves and to have confidence, especially when they're in school and they're around, other people, when they're around some of their peers. And I think affirmations really help with that, right? Right, Cairo? So with curls, I always love to just define them. And so what I'm doing right now, if there are some curls that seem to be a little stubborn, I'll just kind of go like this with my finger and just give them some sort of shape. I feel like she's starting to get into things that I like. What I like to do, she's starting to like to do. Like, she loves putting on my shoes. She loves putting on makeup. Oh my gosh, you look so pretty. Why are you so cute? You can see how quick and easy it was to put together and to finish the look. What I did was I just put a bow right there. Let's look into that camera and say hi.
Hi.
Yeah! You want to blow kisses? Ah, yeah! Wait, let's do a little twirl. Mommy will hold you, okay? Twirl, 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 yay! Our second look is a look that we normally do when Cairo goes to ballet class. And she actually trains with Debbie Allen. Debbie Allen, she definitely has some rules when it comes to the kids' uniforms and how their hair should look. So the bun that we're gonna do today is just a very slick back, easy bun. If your kids are active and they play sports, whether it's basketball or soccer or tennis, this is like the perfect hairstyle for that. So I'm just gonna wet her hair. So we're just gonna give this a nice spray, just like that. Give her a little massage. Does this feel good? Yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just start combing her hair back, just like this. Oh, Cairo, your hair is so pretty. I love your hair, Munchkin. My kids have different hair textures. Her hair is thinner, but she has tighter curls. Cree's hair is thicker, and he has lots more of it than Cairo, and his curls are looser. We just want to make sure that we get this really, really nice and pretty. I'm going to put a little of my curl cream in there, the leave-in curl cream, and this just will kind of smooth the hair out so that it's easy to manage and give it some nice shine. And that's my leave-in curl cream, and it has flaxseed in there. Again, it's like all natural ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and put like a stronger gel in her hair, just so we can get these edges like really nice and smooth, right, Cairo? So that the edges can really stay down while she's dancing. And then we'll put a little bit of the curl defining gel in her hair. Give it a nice slick back look. And as you can see, it's like really nice and shiny now. And then we're just gonna brush it all back. So Cairo, when she does dance, she actually is taking several classes. One class that she does is ballet. And she did this adorable performance, you guys. Wait, were you a kitty or a mouse?
A mouse.
You were a mouse. Now, did you wear mouse ears?
Yes, and the tail.
And a tail. So now I'm just taking like a hair tie, and I'm just tying up all of her hair and her curls once everything is nice and sleek. I love you.
I love you too.
Basically what I'm doing right now is I'm just twisting her hair just like this, and then I'm just gonna wrap it around so that she has like this really nice defined bun. Just like that. You doing okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? So seeing her dance was just, oh my gosh, amazing. But not only that, you guys, I worked with Debbie Allen too when I was a child. I did the chocolate nutcracker when I was, I want to say like maybe like 16, 17 years old. And I performed with Debbie Allen. And then also my brother, Taj, performed with Debbie Allen. He was in 2 of the Academy Award performances that Debbie Allen actually choreographed for the Oscars. So my brother went with us to Cairo's recital, and I just started bawling like crazy because it was just so full circle for me to actually see Cairo being taught by Debbie Allen, and then Debbie Allen choreographed me in a recital for the chocolate nutcracker, and then Debbie Allen also directed me on a show called The Game when I was like in my mid-20s. So it was just very full circle for me, and I was just also just very happy to see Cairo just. Okay, so now that her hair is in a bun, look at you, girl, looking all nice and sleek. I'm gonna take a few bobby pins just so, you know, these kids, they like to play, and just make sure that her hair doesn't fall out. Okay, hold your head down for mama. Thank you. Just wanna make sure that I get like the ends so that it just kind of stays in there. There we go. So then what I'll go ahead and do is just put some more of this edge control on her edges, right, Cairo? Mommy used to wear her hair like this too when she would dance. I took dancing lessons too, but I didn't start as young as Cairo did. I started actually like at 14, 15 years old, and I stopped because I booked Sister Sister. Also, if your kids, you know, are not dancing, again, this is a great hairstyle if they play basketball, if they play tennis, if they play soccer, because all of the hair is off their face. The last step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my oil in. And again, this is from My Line For You by Tia, and it's just gonna create a lot of shine to her hair. So we'll just go ahead and just put a little bit in there or on there, and then we're just gonna slick. And then you'll see she has like this really nice shine to her hair. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Want to blow them kisses? Mwah. Okay, let's show them one little dance move that you did. I thought you did something like this. Do you want to show them that? Ready, go. My little ballerina. Okay, you want to do our next hairstyle? Next up is our party look. You want to get ready for Cree's birthday party? All right, let's go. Whenever we're going out to someplace special, we always do a bead look. Do you like your beads? She loves her beads, you guys. And I'm gonna show you how we do just that. First, I'm just gonna wet her hair down. And again, I always do this just so I can comb through her curls. I've learned a lot about curls just because my hair is curly. And what you wanna do so that you don't put too much tension on the hair and also, on her, so that it doesn't hurt when you're combing out their curls, you wanna start at the ends first. So you wanna start at the ends because the ends tend to be more tangled, should I say? And then you move up, just like this, so that it doesn't bother them. But putting product in the hair as you're combing it out will also help with detangling. Girl, your hair is getting so long. Look at your hair, Cairo. Her hair is nicely combed out. And sometimes what we'll do is we'll put beads all over her hair. And she loves to just swing her hair just like that. She knows she's looking fabulous. Today, we're just gonna put 2 twists in her hair and just add some beads at the end of it. And then I'm just gonna put it all the way up to the top and give her a nice high, fashionable, fun ponytail. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this part of the comb. It just helps make parting the hair easier. So there we go. And twist this up for now while we work on your ponytail. So we're gonna put this ponytail up really nice and high so that her curls can cascade down. It's like there's like a waterfall of curls. So just gonna kind of comb this all the way up to the top like this. There we go. So I'm gonna put in my curl defining gel just to slick her hair down, and then we'll work on these curls later. This is what my mama would usually do. You just put the comb in your mouth, right? That's what we're gonna do right now. Okay. You want me to use that? Yeah? Oh my gosh, that's what my mom. That's what I used to do to my mom. Whenever my mom would do my hair, I would hold everything in my lap and in my hands. And so whenever she needed anything, she would just it's like I was her sous chef, but for hair. You know how when you have a doctor and a nurse, pass this, pass that, pass this. So she was always asking me to pass things. And I felt like that's what Cairo just did right now. We usually play this game, you guys, where we copy each other. Do you want to copy me or do I copy you?
I'll get a copy you.
You're going to copy me? Okay, say, I love cake.
I love cake.
I like to read.
I like to read.
Let's see. I like dirt.
I like dirt.
Do you really like dirt?
No.
No. All right, boo-boo. Let's put this up in a high ponytail so we could look fly for Cree's birthday party. I'm just putting it up at the top of her hair. I'm putting it up at the top of her head. Right, Cairo? Like at the crown. Do you like wearing a crown?
Yes.
You do? Okay. So now we're going to play with these curls now I'm just going to wet her hair just to get these curls nice and defined. Right, Kai Kai? She is really good at ignoring me. So now we're going to work on the 2 twists in the front. Okay, so we're just going to put a little bit of the curl refresher in there just to wet her hair up a little bit and to get these curls activated. Look at how much patience she has. Like, she has so much patience, you guys. We've just gone through 3 hairstyles and she hasn't had a breakdown yet. If this was Cree, y'all, we wouldn't be doing this. So I just put a little rubber band there. And then we are just gonna add a little bit of curl cream to her curls so that she has like a nice slip. There we go, look at you. And then we're just gonna twist. Ready, you wanna twist? Say twist with mommy, say twist. So, Cairo, we're about to put our beads on. We're about to get beaded up, girl. Bead it up. So what I love to do is I love using accessories like these just to help put the beads on. And I love that it has like a little teddy bear. It's like so fun and cute. And I'm just going to put all of the beads that I'm going to put in her hair, just slide them through. So Cairo, how many beads do you want to use? I was thinking we use 4. So I'm just going to do like a little twist like this. Go all the way down to the end. Look at how long your hair is, Cairo! Oh my gosh, we're continuing to go. Look at this. Do you want me to stop? Tell me when to stop. Stop here. Okay. And then I'm just gonna kind of bring her hair up just like that, right? And then I'm gonna put this little hoop or loop through there, right? And then I'm gonna bring it all the way up like this and bring it all the way up like this. And then I'm just gonna slide the beads on. Just like that. There we go. And then I'm gonna take one, just like that, go to the end, and then loop, just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and take another rubber band here. Keeping it real. And then we're just gonna go around the bead just like that about 3 times, right, Cairo? 1, do you want to count with mommy? 2, 3, let's do 4. Well, let's do some more just because we want to make sure these beads stay on. We don't want them to fall off, right? No, we don't want them to fall off. Okay, there we go. We just drop the beads like this, right? Okay, and then I'm just putting the rubber band over the beads so that the beads don't fall out. And then we're just gonna, look at that! Yay! Okay, and then we're just gonna go ahead and just make sure that the hair is laid down to the gods. Her hair is wet now, but this is just gonna get really nice and poofy and curly. But this is our look! Do you wanna say happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Okay, do you wanna turn to this camera and show everybody your hair? And then you want to give them a nice little swing of your hair? Yeah, baby, yeah. Can I have a kissy? I love you.
I love you.
Do you like your hair? Hold on.
Yes.
Twirl, twirl. Cairo, high five. Until next time. Bye, guys.